Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW X5 xDrive40i in Manhattan metallic with the black interior inside. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW X5 xDrive40i in Manhattan metallic, and I've just pressed unlock. We've got the headlight welcoming shimmer, and we've got the iconic glow kidney grille lit up. So that looks really good. So what I'll do is I'm going to just do a lap all the way around the vehicle. And once we have completed that, we can definitely take a closer look at all the details and how this car is spec'd. And we're a bit close quarters in the showroom here, but I'll do my best to give you all the nice angles of this car. So let's do it. Let's take a closer look at all the details. So this is Manhattan metallic. It is a very popular color on this vehicle and very hard to describe in words. Is it gray? Is it green? Is it brown? It's kind of all of those colors all mixed into one shiny metallic paint, and it does look really good. There's all this metallic flake in it, you can see. It looks really good, and it really shows off these body lines on the hood, and you can kind of see how the lighting is changing as the shadows change. Look at that. That looks so cool. There's looks so much depth into our paint. Anyway, we've got the rondelle up front. We have the one-piece matte black kidney grille, and if I press unlock on the key, we get the headlights and the kidney grille lit up. So we've got the vertical slats here. It's cascading ambient light, so it just lights up at the top and the light cascades down over the slats. And we've got the double chevron design for the headlights. Looks really good. And of course, this is with the M Sport design. So we've got the M Sport front bumper and functional air ducts down here at the bottom. Also some active grille shutters. And these are also active grille shutters. Front end looks really good. Now, these are the Shadowline BMW LED headlights, so double chevrons, all these cool little patterns inside, and I like that they put some of them here and here in front of the lights so that they can reflect off of those patterns. So that looks really sweet. Now when we come to the side, you'll see that we have the 21-inch Y-spoke 741M wheels in Orbit Gray Burnished with the red M Sport brake there. So a really cool design. And at 21 inch, this is a very big wheel, and red caliper looks sweet. And M Sport gives you body colored over fenders. We have this black design element on the fender here, and we have the welcome light carpet that comes out from the front of the rocker panel, just like that. And we have body colored side mirror with the integrated turn signal and side mirror. This one has the black window surrounds, black roof rails. We've also got the panoramic sunroof up top here. And let's do a little side profile view. Pure sports activity vehicle vibes. And I love these body lines cutting through here. And there's one down here as well. And we have new style antenna. We also have the Hofmeister kink here. And we have this style of door handle with touch comfort access on the front. There's your rear 741M wheel with the red caliper. And we have a little spoiler up here, rear wiper arm, and these are the X-shaped tail lights. There's the welcoming animation on them. There's also some illumination here with your rear view camera. Horizontal reflectors at the bottom on each side here. And we've got the freeform exhaust on each side with the diffuser in the center. Back end looks good. And there's the goodbye animation. So since I'm back here with the key, give it a little kick. So get this open up the hands-free way. We have the cargo cover here to hide your contents. And there's a button here that can be pressed that releases the cargo cover. And there's a space underneath the floor here where the cargo cover can be stored. There's more storage space here. These are the carpeted mats. We also have the wheel lock key and tow hook down here. And on the lower tailgate, I've pressed this button already to have the car in the lower position with the air suspension. This is to raise or lower just this lower tailgate portion. And up top, we've got the tailgate close and lock. And in here, 12-volt plug, grocery bag hanger, 12-volt plug on this side. And if I pull this down, there's a little storage area down there as well. So now that we've had a chance to look at all this back here, I can kick my foot. Also to close hands-free. Looking sweet. Fuel cap doors on the passenger side. Press the 9 o'clock position to open that. We need 91 octane. It's counterclockwise, 1 click to open the fuel cap. There's a little spot to put it. And when you're done, it's just clockwise, 1 click. Now if I go ahead and I open up the rear door here, you'll see that we've got the manual sunshades in the rear here. We've also got the nice stitching going across. We've got some purple ambient light, carbon fiber trim, window controls, big deep door pockets, illuminating aluminum M door sill. These are the Black Sensafin seats. There's a release lever on the shoulder to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. 2 outer headrests can flip up or flip down. Lower anchors and tethers for child safety seats, armrests in the center with some storage space and some cup holders. And once that's down, you can find the string behind it for the center pass-through. And up top, we've got some reading lights, handle, coat hanger, another coat hanger on the back of the B-pillar here, more vents on the back of the B-pillar. The back of each front seat has an accessory port with a USB Type-C charging port in there. There's also some ambient lights, some pockets. These are the optional winter mats, and there's more lights under here and more vents. And we have some vents on the back of the center console. Rear climate controls with heated seats in the 2 outer positions, a storage space, and there's a 12-volt plug and 2 USB Type-C charging ports down there. So now that we've had a chance to look back here, let's shut this door. And we'll go open the front passenger door next. So once that opens up, again, nice stitching going across. We've got more ambient light in there. Massage chairs for the passenger seat, memory seats, Harman Kardon, carbon fiber trim, door pockets, aluminum illuminating door sill. We've got full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. Seats look awesome. We have the interaction light bar, carbon fiber trim, stitching on the dash, new vent design. Glove box down here illuminated, iDrive 8.5 on the curved display, more vents down here, and if I open this up, we have a wireless charger, USB-A, cup holders, 12-volt plug, and the cup holders are heated and cooled, just like so. And we have the glass push start button, glass gear selector, glass iDrive controller. There's your air suspension height controller, also some nice stitching going across the side, and if I press this, USB Type-C charging port down there, and the armrest heat with the heated seats. So that is awesome. Let's go open the door on the other side next. All right, if I approach from the driver's side, open up that door, we got Harman Kardon, more stitching going across the top here. Massage. This button makes it so the driver controls the passenger side. Memory. Tailgate release, push to open, pull and hold to close while the key's inside. Side mirrors, all 4 window controls. Nice stitching in ambient light and carbon fiber. And down here, we've got some more space. There's an aluminum M door sill. Full power seat with lumbar once again. And down here, you'll see that we have the M Sport steering wheel. And I see some lights on the steering wheel for cruise control functions, all on the left side. And we also have audio controls here. We also have the head-up display, and up top we have the Sky Lounge panoramic sunroof, so you can see the edge is lit in the ambient light color, which is purple right now. And up top we've got an SOS button for roadside, sunroof controls, lighting controls, and we've got 3 buttons on the underside of the rearview mirror for the garage door opener. Visor comes down, that will open up with the light. This can also come out and can extend. And this has all the assisted driving features. So Assisted Driving Plus gives you cruise control that mitigates the speed, distance, steers for you, and changes lanes for you, and all with no hands on the steering wheel. And we got all the self-parking things, so it can self back park, parallel park, come out of a parking spot, front park, and you can pre-record a parking path and have it repeated again and again. And we got digital key plus, and we have remote control parking. So this car is pretty well equipped. Down here we've got the pedals, little storage space, exterior lighting controls. This is your hood release. It's 2 pulls, 1, 2. So when we get to the front, we won't have to find anything here. We just have to lift it up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline-6 twin power turbo. This one has 375 horsepower, 398 foot-pounds of torque. We've got the triangle or the diamond-shaped strut brace, positive battery terminal here, negative battery terminal there, washer fluid over here. What an absolute beast. And BMWs have 2 latches under the hood, so it just means they both have to close at the same time. So if I bring the hood about halfway, literally just send her down. Beautiful. All right, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around. This color looks so good, and I really like that there isn't really a color like this in any of our competing brands, or not that I know of anyways. But this color is really interesting, and I've found it to be very popular. So what do you think of Manhattan Metallic in this spec? And if you like it, it is currently available, so don't hesitate to reach out to me if you want this to be your new car. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW X5 xDrive40i in Manhattan Metallic with the Black Sensafin interior and M Sport Pro. What do you think of this package? If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.